Hello everyone, welcome to the last and final presentation of Assembly. In this presentation, we will be tackling the implementation, testing, and deployment part. For the testing design, given that the unit testing is done, the team conducted a small testing, also known as build verification testing, before deployment to ensure that all pages and major functionalities are working. Test cases as checklist items are created as a guide in testing. In Pass 1, we have some failed items due to integration issues, but after debugging, we have a clean slate at Pass 2. Next is the deployment.
At the deployment stage, the team has decided to choose the Daily Razor web service provider. There are the different packages for the web hosting. We have decided to choose Java PT32 package. Now, the next question is how the system will be utilized by end user. For that purpose, we are going to purchase the domain name from the Daily Razor, that is AssembLeague.com. So users need to surf this domain on the internet and will be directed to the home page of the AssembLeague that will be displayed as this. And the next steps that how the user will explore the web pages will be discussed by the other team members. After this, I will pass the control to the Varna. Thank you.
The implementation was a roller coaster ride, but here we are and now showing you the Assembly's homepage. It contains a small description of the web application, what the users can do, and the packages that the organizers can purchase. Before users can navigate and use the features, they should register. Let's say I'm an organizer. If a user wants to find friends and join tournament later on, they can fill up these fields or choose the second option. Upon successful registration, they will be redirected to the login page. I will log in with that account. And there, I can now create my very first tournament. Let's say I want to organize a volleyball tournament. And after filling out all the information, I can publish my tournament as an open to join so others can discover it. And then create. I will be redirected to the generals page, and now I can add a division. Next step, I can now go to format and add a phase. We have here two formats, elimination games, which is commonly used, and the group format, which is suitable for leagues like swimming. Let's say this is the first elimination, and I have 8 participating teams. Create. A template will be automatically generated for me. There are several types of tournament formats, including round robins, double eliminations, or Swiss system, but to be generic, we did this. They can add more phases as needed, for example, a loser's bracket for double elimination or multiple phases so teams can compete with each other twice or many times, such as in round-robin format. Let's try another phase with an odd number of teams where there will be one waiting team. There. And let's also try the group format. Now that I'm done with the format, I would like to upgrade my tournament. I'm gonna choose the premium package so I'll be able to upload logos, banners, include live stream, and team registration. So I'll click purchase and then select my tournament, purchase. I will receive an email regarding the purchase. See, in my email, AssembLeague has sent me an email on how to pay the upgrade, but the payment will be done outside the application.
So for the admin part, I will log in as admin. Here you can see the admin view where he or she can add upgrades and view purchase requests from all tournament organizers. So we have here, for example, package A, we can see the requests from all of the tournament organizers. And previously, the tournament organizer purchased the premium package. So here we can see the list of packages that has a approved status, and on the last item we have here pending approval, in which the admin can approve. Here, by clicking approve, the status will be updated to approve. Since the tournaments are already created, next we'll be creating teams to be used in the tournament matches and set schedule. So we can create team here. Red Dragon as team name. So as you can see, after creating the team, it is already listed in the list of teams. The organizers can also add players in each tournament. By clicking this button, he or she can add new players. So after adding players, as you can see in the players column, you can see the added players. And also, the organizers can also view the players list. From here, he or she can edit or delete the player. On our sample tournament, we will be needing 8 teams. The other 7 teams will be created off the record.
Yay! My tournament has been upgraded. I can now upload my banner. Update, and then when I view the tournament page, it will already be there. On the format, the teams are already set up too, but since I publish it as an open to join tournament, others can register to it. Pooja will show how she can join this valuable league.
Hi there, it's Pooja here. I have already registered in the system as enthusiast player, and now I'm just going to log in with my email and password. So after login, I have jumped into this page, but now I just want to join the tournament that are published. So first of all, I need to go to this tab, join tournament. Here I can see that the list of the tournaments that are published openly. That means the enthusiast player can send requests to these tournament organizers for joining this tournament. Suppose I just want to join this tournament. So first of all, I need to view the details of the tournament. So after clicking on that button, I can see the details of that tournament. Here are also different tabs. So here, after clicking on this button, I can see the phases as well as schedule of the tournament, and in the result tab we can see the scores for the previous matches. But I want to join the tournament because for now I'm just done with this information. So I just want to send the request for joining the tournament. So after clicking on this button, the Gmail, I will got the email from the AssembLeague that I'm going to join this tournament, as you can see it, right? And there are the further information for money.
As the organizer, I can see Pooja's request here. Once I approve this, as a part of the upgrade, a team under her name will be created.
As you can see that I have just got the email that my request is just approved by the organizer. So for now, I just want to see the list of the tournaments for now that I have joined. So for that purpose, I just need to click on the join tournament tab. So here, as you see the status, it is approved. If it is not approved by the tournament organizer, then it will be displayed as a pending. But for now, as I have approved the status, so I can edit my team for this tournament, as well as can add the players. So by default, they set the name of the team as team of Pooja. Let's go to add the player. By clicking on this button, I can just so okay, let's check the player is added or not. So yeah, you can see that here the player is added.
Okay, now that my teams are complete, I can now assign and schedule the matches. Okay, for the first match, let's say it's Red Dragon versus Blue Warriors, and it'll happen today at 11 PM at Wale Athletic Field. Save. And then I will do the same steps for the rest of the matches. I can now proceed with the matches, but I also want to add the live stream in the tournament page. Here, we are using a YouTube link since we cannot do the actual streaming yet. So save, and then I'll go with the scheduled matches, and then I'll add a set. Open the match, save first set, save. They can also do this like first quarter, second to fourth, or rounds like in boxing. So while this game is in play, the organizer will now begin scoring. These scores will also be rendered on the tournament page. The scoring is done until the game is over and the winner will be declared. So for example, in this game, Red Dragons won the competition, so Red Dragon and then save. And then on the tournament page, it will appear that Red Dragon won, and on the format, it will also appear like this. And then they can format the match 5 on the round 2 with Red Dragon here as the winner. Fast forward, all the matches are done, and Blue Warriors won the championship game. The last step is the final rankings. Here I can now set Blue Warriors as rank 1, and then champion, save, and then Red Dragon as the first runner-up. Save. And on the general page, I can update like Blue Warriors won the competition. So update, and then on the tournament page, there, and then the public can now view the results. There.
Okay, so for the friends page, like I'm going to talk about how a user can log in to find users to play with. So firstly, I'm going to log in as a user who has registered to find friends to play with. So this is the user's profile, and he can see all the users who are in the same province by default, but he can filter them out by city and sports interest. So for example, if he wants to find users in the city of Delta and with the sports interest as soccer, he can just do it like this, and he will see like 2 results right now. And the users are from Delta and they have the sport interest as soccer. So from here, the user like this Raman Kathuria can connect to one of them by clicking the button connect. So then the request goes to that user's request page. So I'll just do it one more to show you guys. If I do it like this and send it to Tashmeet as well. So I'll just log out and go to and log in from their user IDs. So from here, the Tashmeet user can go to request page to see the request which he has got from Raman Kathuria. To like he can also approve or delete the request, and right now we'll accept it. So to see, then we can go like he can go to the friends button to see the list of friends he has. And yeah, so let's go to the other user as well and see and accept the request. So right now we can check if he has any friends. So right now Arsh Lopez is not friends with anyone, so he can go to request and see for the friend request. He has gotten a request from Raman Kathuria, and he can just approve it to see the Raman Kathuria as a friend of his in the list of friends page. So now I'll go back to the Raman Kathuria's account to show that He is friends with both of Tashmeet and Arsh Lopez. So we go to the friends button for the Raman Kathuria, and yes, we can see that he's friend with both of them, and this is how like they can match friends. Yeah.
And that's it. There's more to improve, but the most important thing here is we have applied the concepts we have learned in software engineering with our professor, Sir CJ, and complemented with patience, teamwork, and prayers. Thank you so much, and mabuhay!